There's two steps to the shaping process: the initial shaping and the final shaping. The initial shaping is where you start to guide the dough into that strand-like shape. Letting the dough rest for about 10 minutes between the initial shaping and the final shaping will give time for the gluten to relax and will make it easier to get it into the final strand-like shape. The key to creating the braids is to apply a light but even pressure while moving outwards, kind of like rolling out Play-Doh. Tapering the ends of the braid will provide a nice even finish. We start by numbering the strands 1, 2, 3, and 4. We take the strand in position 4 and move it over the strand in position 2. Then we take the strand in position 1 and move it over the strand in position 3. And finally, we take the strand in position 2 and move it over the strand in position 3. Repeat until your braid is complete. Don't worry if it looks a little too long like mine does here. We're going to readjust it all in a minute. I had a little extra dough at the end here, so I just decided to braid it and just tuck it right under.